I'm Olympic gold medalist Will Simpson, equestrian, horseback rider, trainer.
When I was first introduced to Will Simpson, I was quite impressed with how well he took care of his horses. They did get the best of care. He had never even experienced laser therapy, so I kind of went out of my way to introduce myself to him. Will was very open to trying laser therapy because he's always looking for the best for his horses. And obviously they get massage, they get chiropractic care. But he was impressed with the laser therapy because he did watch his horses enjoy the treatment.
The first time I tried laser therapy for my horses, I actually tried it on myself. I've got a little bit bad knees, and the laser made my knees much more comfortable right away. And it lasted for quite a while, a couple weeks. So that's what sold me on it. And then I started trying it on my horses.
He had never even experienced laser therapy, so I kind of went out of my way to introduce myself to him and offered to do a free demo on his horse. And he rode his horse the very next day and sent me a text saying how phenomenal the horse felt. All of his horses are in top physical performance, but he just felt that just even after one laser treatment, it brought out even more of this amazing animal.
Training horses to get to high-level competition, we need non-invasive treatments. We need treatments that you can do often, and the laser is one of the best that can keep the horse in top form, and you can go to it time and time again. In my preparation for the 2020 Olympics, I've got a real long shot. I've got a horse that has the ability, but he's very hot. He wants to go to the jump. So the laser calms him down, gets him so he's more in a relaxed state when I train, so it's helping him that way. I use the laser therapy on a weekly basis, 3 times a week, and I find that it lets me start the horse, and my horse is much more relaxed and willing to go to work. I try to maximize my training sessions so I can get the most training into my horse. So with the laser, it starts out more relaxed and warmed up and ready to go to work, and then also, it helps in the recovery. After the horse has exerted himself and is strained, laser helps him recover faster so I can get back to training. The laser for me in my training sessions is a very valuable tool. I wouldn't want to go into a tough competition without the security of knowing that my horse's muscles are being tended to the best possible way. I would recommend the laser treatment to almost anyone that has a competitive horse, or even any horse. Horses get injured. This is one of the best ways to treat the injuries and take care of your horse.